Tom is asking how to set up a trailing stop under the low of the last 3 bars. So I'm going to assume here you mean the lowest low of the last 3 bars. Yeah, since you said last 3 bars, I'm assuming, yeah. So, okay, thanks, Tom. All right, yeah, so let's take a look at that. So I will go in and, again, use this quick list here, previous bar, low, high, trailing. All right. So, and then we'll go in and modify this. So, all right, so I'm going to put it back on the options tab. So let's take care of the initial placement first. All right, so an initial placement, we'll open this up, right? And we can see that for a long trade, right? For long trades, it's already set to using the low price, but we want to use the low of the last 3 bars. So we'll set the look back period to 3. So it'll look back on the last 3 bars. But then the process, right, the processing, well, we're going to use the minimum value of the last 3 low prices, right? So that would be the minimum value would be the lowest low of the last 3 low prices. So there we go. All we had to do was just adjust the long side. And if we look over here on the short side, right, it's adjusted for us automatically. So we can see it automatically set itself to a look back of 3. And the processing had changed itself to max values, right? So again, yeah, so if you're taking a short trade, you're going to be using the high of the bar. And so you want to be using the highest high of the last 3 bars. So that would be the maximum value of the high prices. Okay. And then if you wanted to, you can add an offset. So if we wanted to go 1 tick below the lowest low or 1 tick above the highest high, then we can just add an offset like that as well. So I'll leave that like that. And then let's go into the trailing actions. And then let's adjust the name here. It's a good idea to adjust the name. Let's put like a 3-bar lowest low and highest high trail. So we just need to go in to the actions column here. So the action column is what sets the price of the stop loss. So we can see here that, right, the stop loss, it's going to get moved to, and we can see it's set to the low and high price. So this move to is what calculates the price for the stop loss. So we're going to open this menu up, and we can see, right, we have the same menu as we did on the options tab, right? This literally is the same menu here. And so we're just going to repeat the process. So we're just going to set our look back to 3. And so let's see, it's already set to the minimum value for us. And again, if we wanted to add that tick offset, we can do that. So there we go. So for long trades, we're using the low prices of the bar, and we're looking back upon the last 3 bars, and we want to find the minimum values to find the lowest low. So there we go. And that's it. So that just took that quick list and turned it into looking at the lowest low of the last 3 bars. So let's take a look at this. Click OK. And so if, well, I was going to take a long trade, but I guess it'd be better if I took a short trade here. And let's mark this. So if we take a look, right, that's going to be the highest high of the last 3 bars. So if we go short, and there we go. There's our stop loss. 1 tick above that. So, and let's see here. We'll move the market down. So our stop loss should move down to about there, and there we go. And let's move the market up now. Let's cancel this. All right, so that is our lowest low there. So if we go long, There we go. Our stop loss is 1 tick below it. And let's see. Yeah, it's going to take a couple of bars before we move up to this next bar here. We're going to have to get one more bar. All right, there we go. All right, and so our stop loss will just start trailing up. So it'll start moving up to the next bar low after another bar closes here. So, all right, there we go.